Hello everyone, welcome back. Do you know what am I doing today? I am playing hide and seek with my friends. Do you want to join us? Okay. Can you see any of my friends hiding over here? I'm not able to find them. But shh. Did you hear the sound coming? Do you know who was making this sound? It was Mr. Horse. And what sound does a horse makes? A horse neighs. What sound does a horse makes? A horse neighs. Now let us search for Mr. Horse. Okay, so here is Mr. Horse hiding in his house. Do you know where does a horse lives? A horse lives in a stable. Where does a horse lives? A horse lives in a stable. And do you know, just like Mr. Donkey, a horse also carries heavy loads from one place to another. It even carries people from one place to another. Some people love riding horse. So we have found Mr. Horse. But whom do we see with Mr. Horse? He is a baby horse. And what do we call a baby horse? A baby horse is called a foal. What do we call a baby horse? A baby horse is called a foal. And what are they eating? They are eating grass. So what does a horse eat? A horse eats grass. Now after finding Mr. Horse, it's time to find my second friend. Can you hear the voice coming? Do you know whose sound was that? That was Mr. Sheep's sound. And what sound does Mr. Sheep makes? A sheep bleats. What sound does a sheep makes? A sheep bleats. Now let us search for Mr. Sheep here. So just like Mr. Horse, Mr. Sheep is also hiding in his home. And do you know what is the home of a sheep called? A sheep lives in a fold. Where does a sheep lives? A sheep lives in a fold. And what does a sheep gives us? A sheep gives us wool. What does a sheep gives us? A sheep gives us wool. So now we have found Mr. Sheep also. And who is Mr. Sheep with? He is with a baby sheep. And what do we call the baby of a sheep? A baby of a sheep is called a lamb. What is the baby sheep called? A baby sheep is called a lamb. And what does a sheep eat? A sheep also eats grass. What does a sheep eat? A sheep also eats grass. So now we have found both of my friends, and now I am going to make a craft. Do you want to make a craft with me? Let us make a craft together. So for the craft, the things that you need are a white sheet, some Fevicol, a black sheet and some cotton balls. Now take the white sheet and ask your parents to make a cutout like this. And after that, take the Fevicol and apply all over the cutout like this. Now take the cotton balls and start pasting it over it. Take the black paper and cut 4 small strips of equal length. Now what you will do is apply some Fevicol at the end and paste the strips like this. And after that, again take the black sheet and make a paper cutting like this. Draw a face and mouth in it. Now take this face and paste it over the craft. So now tell me, like which farm animal does this craft looks? This craft looks like a sheep. Like which farm animal? This craft looks like a sheep. Oh wow, it was so much fun making the craft with you all. And do you know what am I going to do next? I am going to give this craft to Mr. Sheep. He'll be so happy seeing the craft. And what will you do with the craft? You also send the picture of this craft to your teachers. She'll be so happy seeing such a beautiful craft. So now I'm going to Mr. Sheep's house. We'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care.